Welcome to Midwest Telecom's tutorial on how to set up direct inward dialing on your business phone system. Direct inward dialing, DID for short, is a business phone feature that allows you to program an extension to ring through to another extension or to your cell phone. This feature is helpful when you're out for lunch or away from your desk phone. To start, head on over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click the Home tab, then click DIDs, and a list of your business extensions will appear. Click the Edit icon to the right of the extension you would like to add DID to. Select the destination from the drop-down box where you would like your phone number to reroute to. Choose extensions to redirect calls to another internal number and choose external number to redirect calls to your cell phone. Now select the value from the drop-down box. For an external number, type the number with area code in the value box. Click Save, then test your extension to ensure it redirects to the desired location. And there you have it, how to set up direct inward dialing. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.